Welcome to Vocabulary Blitz, 55 seconds to supercharge your word power. First up, apprise. It means to fully inform someone. For example, I will apprise my team about the day's schedule updates. Next, impunity means being free from punishment. Think of a thief who escapes justice. He acts with impunity. Moving on to adhere. It means to stick or follow strictly. Consider someone who adheres to company safety policies every day. Finally, Belie means to give a false impression. For instance, her calm smile belies the stress she truly feels inside. Now try this sentence. Although the manager vowed to apprise every stakeholder, his relaxed approach allowed some employees to act with impunity, as they failed to adhere to the new protocols, which in turn belied the company's strict standards. Keep learning, keep growing.